Hi, I'm Agent Bosko, broker with Keller Williams Realty. I'm excited to present you my latest listing, 623 St. Germain Avenue, one of Avenue Road and Lawrence's most desirable street. It's a beautiful home featuring 4 bedrooms and 5 baths, plus a 3rd floor loft and a finished basement. Come on in, let's take a closer look. Enjoy the tranquility of this backyard oasis. Relax to the soothing sound of the waterfall leading into a pond, or bring friends and family together, hop into jacuzzi and tell stories around the gas fire pit under a Cedar gazebo. For more information, send us an email or call today for a private tour. We'll be happy to show you around. Thank you so much for joining me.